All right, traders, it's Thursday morning. We're trading micro Nasdaq MNQ futures. If you're a new trader, don't trade with the full Nasdaq or the full E-mini. Micro contracts are a great way to get your foot in the door without losing your shirt. Now, the good thing about what I'm seeing right now is, first, the market has just opened, so give it a good 10-15 minutes for the market to calm down. Number two, we have two back-to-back long trades that were winners. When you have a grouping of trades in the same direction, long or short, usually we have an opportunity because trades and movement occur in groupings. So here is another trade to the long side. So now we have three back-to-back trades. One thing I'm not going to do is chase this. I talk about that all the time. Don't chase the market. If you're able to get a better price, try for that better price. On the left-hand side, you have the news indicator by DayTradeToWin. Download the free version of the DayTradeToWin news indicator. Get a free member account, and also we have a roadmap as well. Roadmap software is available for trial. Okay, so here we are using NinjaTrader, but for the TradingView users, it should be the exact same way. Enter at a specific price. Don't chase it. I got about a tick or two off using the micro Nasdaq. The market went down a little bit. It's trying to get up there. Another rule of thumb here, if we stay too long under where we bought, so I want to see it green, not red. Usually the longer it stays red, the worse off you are. Very fast trade. I'm out of the trade. We're done. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.